Top 6 tips for fillers. Better, longer lasting results. In this video, we're diving into a hot topic in the world of cosmetic enhancements: how to achieve better, longer lasting results with dermal fillers. Whether you're thinking about getting fillers for the first time or looking to optimize your current results, this video will provide you with expert tips and insights. Over the next 2 minutes, we'll explore proven strategies to not only enhance the effects of fillers, but also extend their longevity. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to maximizing your filler treatments. Number 1. Choosing the right type of filler. The first step to achieving great results with fillers is selecting the right type for your needs. Hyaluronic acid fillers like Juvederm and Restylane are popular for their safety and effectiveness, but other types such as calcium hydroxylapatite, Radi-S, and polyl-lactic acid, Sculptra, might be better suited for deeper wrinkles and volume restoration. Discuss with your provider to choose a filler that aligns with your aesthetic goals and offers the longevity you desire. Number 2. Pre-treatment care. Preparing your skin for fillers can significantly impact their effectiveness and longevity. Ensure your skin is in optimal condition by staying hydrated, following a balanced diet, and using products that promote skin health, such as those containing vitamin C and retinoids. Avoiding alcohol and blood thinners a few days before your treatment can also minimize bruising and swelling. Number 3. Precision in application. The skill and technique of the injector are paramount. Precise injection techniques can not only provide a more natural appearance, but also affect how long the results last. Experienced professionals who understand facial anatomy can strategically place fillers where they will provide maximum benefit and reduce the risk of migration or uneven results. Number 4. Post-treatment care. After getting fillers, your care routine can extend their efficacy. Avoid strenuous exercise and exposure to high heat for at least 48 hours to prevent inflammation and swelling. Keeping your skin well moisturized and continuing to use anti-aging skincare products can also support the filler's integration and durability in your skin. Number 5. Regular maintenance sessions. While fillers are not permanent, regular maintenance sessions can help prolong the effects. Depending on the type of filler used, schedule follow-up treatments every 6 months to 2 years to refresh the results. Your provider can create a personalized maintenance plan that keeps your skin looking its best year-round. Number 6. Lifestyle factors. Lastly, lifestyle choices play a crucial role in the longevity of your fillers. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, protecting your skin from the sun, not smoking, and staying hydrated are all essential for keeping your skin in top condition. Healthy skin will hold fillers better and longer. By following these tips, you can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting results from your dermal filler treatments. Remember, the right preparation, care, and professional expertise are key to success. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell to receive educational updates like this. For personalized care and tailored treatment plans, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals at Sparrow MD.